In the previous episode, you learned to ask DNS one question at a time. Type a domain, get an answer, using NSLOOKUP. That works. But real reconnaissance doesn't stop at one question at a time. What if you could see every subdomain a company forgot even exists? DNS records from years ago before they knew it would matter. An entire map of the infrastructure drawn out automatically in seconds. That's today. Welcome back to DNS Enumeration Part 2, an episode of Footprinting and Recon series. We are covering 11 tools today, each one pulling a different thread on the same target. By the end of this video, you won't just know these tools exist, you will know exactly which one to reach for and when. Let's get into it. dnsrecon. It is a free open source Python script, comes pre-installed on Kali Linux. Point one command at target domain and dnsrecon pulls every standard record type at once. First query is standard enumeration. It queries basic record types and automatically checks for DNSSEC and zone transfer vulnerability. Subdomain brute force. It uses a word list to guess existing subdomains by querying the name servers for common prefixes. Reverse lookup. Performs reverse DNS lookups on an IP address range or CIDR block to identify host names associated with IPs. Zone transfer. Attempts an AXFR query against all identified name servers to download an entire zone file. DNSSEC zone walk. Exploits NSEC records on DNSSEC enabled domains to traverse and map out all internal domain records. Cache snooping. Checks a target DNS server's cache against a list of domains to see if internal users have visited those sites recently. Top-level domain. Checks domain availability and resolution across multiple top-level domains for a given domain name. Here is a list of available commands. Domain information broker, in short, dig. Dig is the primary command line tool for querying DNS name servers on Linux and macOS. Query all records. Attempts to fetch all available DNS records with any command. Retrieves specific record types like mail servers or name servers. Attempt AXFR zone transfer. Directs a zone transfer request directly to a target primary name server. Reverse DNS lookup. Resolves an IP address back to its associated host name. Trace resolution path. Traces an entire DNS lookup process starting from root DNS servers down to authoritative name servers. A lightweight, simple utility for performing quick DNS lookups. The tool is called Host. Basic hostname lookup. For specific record type query. DNS Enum, an automated tool that combines record querying, subdomain brute forcing, Google scraping, and Senum expansion into a single execution. Fears, a tool designed to locate target IP space and subdomains across non-contiguous networks. Amass, an active and passive network mapping framework that aggregates data from dozens of public sources, APIs, and DNS queries. massdns, a high-performance DNS stub resolver intended for high-quality subdomain brute forcing and mass resolution. Now, we will check the browser-based recon tools. MXToolbox. This is a comprehensive web-based suite for network diagnostic and lookup tools. Instead of relying entirely on command line utilities like dig, nslookup, or host from a local machine, administrators can use MXTool to perform rapid, in-depth queries from an external perspective directly through their browser. Netcraft. Netcraft provides internet security services, including anti-fraud and anti-phishing services, application testing, and PCI scanning. They also analyze the market share of web servers, operating systems, hosting providers, and SSL certificate authorities, and other parameters of the internet. Cloth.net. It is a lightweight, classic web-based platform that provides a suite for essential network diagnostics and DNS reconnaissance tools. Much like MXToolbox, it is frequently utilized by system administrators, network engineers, and cybersecurity professionals to troubleshoot network issues. dnsdumpster. It is a free, web-based domain research tool created by HackerTarget. It is widely used by bug bounty hunters, penetration testers, and security defenders for initial passive reconnaissance. Unlike active command line tools that might aggressively brute force subdomains, dnsdumpster relies entirely on open source intelligence to discover hosts and map out an organization's external attack surface without directly altering the target. That's all for today. In the next episode, we will learn about Sherlock. We'll see you in the next video.